Hello friends. So the next question which I want to talk about is pretty simple, and I think most of you already know about the answer, that what is the difference between a lookup and a master detail relationship. So if in any interview or a screening call or telephonic interview these kind of questions are asked, just to understand whether you know the basics of Salesforce or not, and most of the people answer in a way that if two tables are related with each other in a way that there is one table which is a parent, another table is a child, where one table parent can have multiple child records. If they are related with master detail relationship, then if you delete the parent record, the child records are also deleted. In another case, if they are related with lookup relationship, if you delete a parent, the child records are not deleted. So this is the basic explanation most of you might give in any interview, but actually the interviewer is not interested in such kind of explanations. They are not looking forward for definitions. So let's talk about a basic way of answering such kind of very simple questions. So as I said, that the interviewer is expecting a scenario based solution. That means if you can explain a business scenario, when to go for a lookup relationship and when to go for a master detail relationship, he will give you more positive points. So let's talk about a scenario. You can explain in a way that lookup and master detail relationship fields are basically a foreign key in a particular table. They helps two tables to connect with each other. For example, if there is a table called as department, and this department can be associated with another table called as employees. And it is a one-to-many kind of a relationship. Now, to explain this thing, you can give a scenario that we want to establish a relationship between these two tables. That is, we need to create a foreign key in the child table. That foreign key can be a lookup relationship or it can be a master detail relationship. How do we decide? We decide by asking a question. What will be that question? That question will be that we need to ask our client that if there is a department called as, say, physics, and there are three professors of physics, say Professor A, Professor B, and Professor C. You need to ask your client, if I close this department of physics, what will happen to these three professors, the three employees? If the client says we will ask those professors to leave, we'll ask those employees to leave, that means on deleting a parent record you want to delete the child as well. That means you need to go for a master detail relationship. On the other hand, if the client says no, even if we close the department, we still want our employees to stay, we can later on move them to other departments, then you need to go for a lookup relationship. So such kind of business scenario needs to be explained. On top of that, you also need to talk about the concept of roll-up summary. A roll-up is a field which is always created on the parent part, where the master of a master detail relationship is there. What do you mean by a roll-up summary? You can calculate the count of child records. You can also calculate the sum of certain fields. You can calculate the maximum value on the child records, and you can have the minimum value of the child record. That means you can have a count, you can have a sum, you can have a minimum value, you can have a maximum value on top of a parent record. You should also talk about the ownership of the child records. If a particular relationship is master detail, there is no concept of ownership in the child records. There is no concept of ownership. That means there is no owner field in the child records if they are connected with the master detail relationship. Why? Because it is considered that the owner of the parent record is also of the owner of the child records. Whereas in case of lookup relationship, each parent and child can have individual ownership. So you need to talk about all these points when you are explaining even a simple concept, and definitely with an example. So all the very best. See you in the next video.